In today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Manscaped beard hedger for you guys. Inside the box, you get this instruction manual that tells you all about how to use it. It shows you that it will take 1.5 hours to charge to full, and also that the settings for beard length is 0.5 millimeters to 10 millimeters. How to remove and install the comb, and then also some cleaning tips. It comes in this nice travel case, which is really awesome if this is something that you take with you when you're going for sleepovers with your girlfriend or traveling or whatever, because you can have everything in here that you need. Inside you find the hedgers themselves. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna turn it over here a couple times so you can see the blade on the different sides to see what that looks like. We'll talk about that a little bit more as well as I talk about kind of all the features that you can expect out of this device. This is the trimmer guard, and it looks like it pops off and goes back on pretty easily, which is really nice. And you'll also find inside here that it comes with a USB-C charging cable. I love that everything is going USB-C, by the way. And a nice added bonus, and something you don't really get with stuff these days, like even if you buy a cell phone, you don't get a travel charger like this anymore. So the fact that they're including this little brick is actually really nice, because I'm finding that a lot of devices that kind of don't have that, I end up plugging it into like my laptop when I'm at work, or like my soundbar or something like that. For example, when I'm charging my batteries for this camera that I'm using right now, it's just, it's really nice to have. This comes with a 7200 RPM, very powerful motor, which will be really great for cutting a beard. It is also a titanium coated T-blade, so it is very strong. There is 20 different length options that you can cut with this, and you don't need to have a whole bunch of different guards. Really, just one guard does it all. The beard hedger was designed with a unique cutting angle to have its comb lift flat-lying hairs for single stroke trimming. This beard trimmer is waterproof, cordless, and rechargeable, so it is definitely something that you can use in the shower. When fully charged, it'll last about 60 minutes apparently, and it has 3 different battery indicator levels, so you can tell when you need to recharge it again. If you're thinking about growing your first beard, or you already have a beard and you just kind of want to get into some beard trimming on your own and not pay a barber $60 or whatever a beard trim costs these days, then this is a great way to start. It is something that's going to be reliable and last you a long time. If this is something that interests you, you can check them out at manscaped.com, but I'll also have a convenient Amazon link for you guys in the description, or you can scan the QR code that I'll pop up here for you guys. That's kind of cool. I've heard nothing but great things about Manscaped products. The products that I've already tried out, you can check out my other videos. I love all of them already, and they are still working really well for me, so I trust that this is going to be great for me in the future as well. But we're gonna find out when I do the full review. This video is brought to you by manscaped.com. They were nice enough to send me this product for a review, and we will do a review after my beard gets long enough so that I can actually trim it with this. Next up, you should check out one of these 2 videos. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.